Hello all, and welcome to KMT. Is your brand new iPhone battery dying really fast? Are you constantly asking your friends for a charger? Don't blame the manufacturer because the person using the phone is usually to blame. In this video, we will go over 5+ reasons why your phone battery is draining so fast and get your phone working like new again. Stay tuned to the end to learn what you're probably doing wrong causing your phone battery to drain faster. Reason number 1. You're charging your phone to 100%. According to experts, it's not necessary to charge your phone to 100%. In fact, it causes poor battery performance in the long run. Simply unplug your charger at around 95%. This will prolong your phone's battery life. Reason number 2. You're not completely closing your applications. When you check your Instagram or TikTok, the application opens. But if you don't close the application completely, it continues to run in the background, thus draining your battery. Be sure to fully close any unnecessary applications to retain your battery. Reason number 3. A dirty charging port. Over time, your phone gets dirty, including the charging port. Debris such as lint from your pocket may block the charging port, so be sure to clean the charging port on your phone with a cotton swab from time to time. Reason number 4. You're not checking the battery settings on your phone. Today's phones, be it iOS or Android, all have built-in battery settings that allow you to check the health of your battery and top used applications. Go ahead and tweak the suggested settings for your applications to increase your phone's battery life tremendously. Reason number 5. Your wallpaper is too bright. Every time you unlock your phone, the wallpaper is present on your home screen. So if the wallpaper is too bright, it ends up eating up more battery over time. Stick to a simple wallpaper, maybe even black and white. This will definitely help your battery last much longer. Reason number 6. You leave your location or GPS, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi on all the time. Sure, having these settings turned on is necessary, especially when it comes to Wi-Fi. But having Bluetooth and location on all the time can really drain your phone's battery. Turn these settings off whenever possible. If needed, specify these settings for each specific application. Thank you for watching KMT. If this video helped you out, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below.